Come along with Marvelous Mouse Travels to check out the High Key Club at the Disneyland Hotel. The High Key Club replaces the e-ticket club as the club-level lounge atop Adventure Tower and is roughly twice the size. It celebrates the history of Disneyland music and will feature a custom soundtrack inspired by the park. Its mid-century aesthetic is the perfect complement to the musical artifacts that guests can see while they enjoy complimentary breakfast, snacks, and beverages throughout the day. And on select nights, guests can even see the fireworks display. To gain access to this lounge, guests need to book club-level accommodations, and that's where Marvelous Mouse Travels can help. Not only will you get help from a dedicated on-site Disneyland concierge team with your club-level booking, but you'll also get concierge-level planning assistance all along the way when you book it with us. The best part? Booking through us costs the same as booking directly with Disney. For more information or to get a free quote on your next vacation, visit us at marvelousmousetravels.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the parks.